I'm in the western side of Ireland in County Mayo. I'm at a sea stack called Dun Briste. It was created in the 1300s. There was a hurricane that sort of broke. There was a land bridge that went out to the bit of rock that I'm going to show you. But there was a hurricane that broke it. And there was actually some people trapped on it. They had to be rescued back in the 1300s when the land bridge collapsed. But it's an amazing sight to see this sea stack coming out of the water. There's many people take photos of it. So my wife and I, Sharon and I, that we come to County Mayo to take pictures of it. So come and have a look, see what you think. Okay, here it is. See? Amazing. Long drop down. Let's see if I can show you how steep this is. From this vantage point you can see where the land bridge used to connect the cliffs to the sea stack, and you could just imagine how high the waves would have got to be able to knock that land bridge down during the hurricane. We got our cameras and tripods out and then started to take some pictures. And here's some of the photographs that I took of Dun Briste. If you look at the right hand side of the screen here, you'll see letters that form the word era written onto the ground with the number beside it. These are all over the coast of Ireland. During World War II, Ireland was a neutral country, and in 1943, to inform the pilots from the fighting countries that they were coming to the coast of neutral Ireland, these large signs were made out of whitewashed stones embedded into concrete, and were erected beside the coastal lookout stations all along the coast. I believe there's about 83 in total. As you can see here, the cliffs at Dun Briste, the number is number 64. All along the cliffs at Dun Briste there's sea caves, and the sea caves go back pretty far. In fact, one of them is actually collapsed, and you can actually see the hole protruding through the top of the land there in the distance. Just for safety, they built a dirt ring around it and put a fence up so people wouldn't fall in. and this is beside one of the collapsed caves. You can hear and see the ocean waves coming in down far below. It's a nice evening, so we thought we'd relax for a bit and wait for the sun to go down. So Sharon's over there reading her book, and I just went for a little walk. So I'd say another 20 minutes and the sun will go down, and we'll hopefully get some good sunset pictures in front of the sea stack. We waited and waited for the sunset, but just when the sun was about to go down, it hid behind a large bank of clouds just on the horizon, so we missed the sunset. So we packed up our things and headed home. So as the sun goes down and ends the day, this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And until next time, I will see you later.